The Safetots stackable high chair comes in natural, black and grey. When you open the box you'll find all of the following, a set of instructions, the fittings and then all the separate pieces you need to make the high chair. Following stage 1 of the assembly instructions, the first thing you'll need is the 10 wooden dowels, and these get inserted into both sides of the following pieces. They just slot into the holes. Five on this side and 5 on the other side. The next stage of the assembly is attaching the safety harness to the underside of the seat. For this process you'll require the safety harness pieces, 3 screws and the 3 washers that come with the fittings. You'll also require your own Phillips screwdriver. First of all, we just position the safety straps over the pre-drilled holes. And then in each position you'll need 1 screw through 1 washer and just screw into the pre-drilled holes. The final stage of the assembly is joining all the pieces of the chair together using the nuts and the Allen key. When you're putting the chair together, there's obviously slightly smaller holes for the dowels, and then you'll be positioning the nuts through the larger holes. At this stage, don't do the nuts up fully, just put them in tight enough to hold the positions in place. As you're putting all the pieces together, it is important to remember to put the safety harness around the crossbar before you put the crossbar in position and start to tighten the bolts at this section. When you have the whole chair assembled and loosely in position, it's time to go around to each and every nut using the Allen key and tighten them all up to tighten the chair fully together to make it able to use.